Yeah, can you sing for me?
No.
Please.
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the camera.
What?
Look at the camera, Shayla. Shayla. Yeah. Shayla, how old are you?
3.
Do you like the park?
No.
No, you don't like the park. Do you like your blankie? Do you like reading? Do you like being at home eating cookies? No, do you like being at home? Do you miss Mommy and Daddy? Do you love your brother? My mom just texted me.
Why is there a purple thing right there?
Dylan,
What is that?
those are flowers. Dylan, come on. Dylan.
That's a flower?
Yeah, those are flowers. Dylan,
What?
how old are you?
5.
Are you turning 6?
Yeah.
When?
And soon.
Next month? Oh, you want your backpack?
Next
Here you go. On what day?
What?
What day? Okay.
Wednesday.
Okay.
No, I mean on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday.
Okay, come on. Shyla. Shyla.
Can you ride my bike?
No, I'm not going to ride your bike. Shyla. Shyla. Do you like me babysitting? No, you don't like me babysitting? Why?
Mama, I go fast.
Dylan, do you like me babysitting?
Yeah.
Why? Good kids. Good kids. Come on, we'll bring you home and you can be warm. It must be freezing. Look at her. It must be freezing. Here you go. Okay. Okay.